Hello. What's up, my lovelies? So today we have the unboxing of the Boxycharm Luxe box for June 2019, and I'm very excited actually, because I've been holding out, which I usually can never do. As soon as it's delivered, I'm ready to slice it open and to just play with whatever's inside. But I'm trying to get my first video out, so let's see how this goes. All right, so I did pre-open it. Ooh. It's called the Boxycharm Getaway. So let's see, this has to have all types of summer goodies in it, right? So we have a cute purple blow dryer here with 2 attachments, and it typically retails for $85. It will help reduce frizz and lock in moisture. So we're gonna have to put this to the test, and I'm actually pretty thrilled. I think it's super cute. So let's put this to the side and let's keep going. We have face wash, pH balanced yogurt cleanser. This retails for $35, powered by the pH balancing complex. This prebiotic multitasking cleanser yogurt melts away any grime. So we're gonna really have to see how this goes with makeup and all the other sunscreen and goodies that we like to put on our face. It says that it should make us feel hydrated and never stripped. We have a, let's see, Good Vibes Mascara by treStiQue. A built-in eyelash curler, which I've never seen anything like that. You know, I'm not really one who curls my eyelashes, but because it's here, I will. I'll try. This comes in matted black, like super duper black. So it retails for $25. So treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new treStiQue Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool, Lash-Enhancing Mascara, gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. You know, we all like to be a little extra. So we'll try that. This here is the Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Skin Mist, and it is hydrating misted formula to soothe and protect and illuminate the skin. Retails for $35. It is enriched with antioxidant, soothing and detoxifying botanicals, and it says that it should tighten my pores. So make some room on your vanity for this living proof full dry volume blast. Styling spray creates an instant volume and texture that's almost as light as the air. Lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection. It's silicone free and safe for colored or chemically treated hair. This retails for $29. Oh shoot. The blast is serious. It is. You know why it's a blast? Because it shoots your hair into one spot. It's stuck. So living proof, full volume, dry volume, blast. Yeah. It smells nice. It just. We have the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow, and this is formaldehyde-free, synthetic, fragrance-free, and mineral oil-free, which is always a really good thing, and cruelty-free, which we love. So the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum retails for $58. Is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and gets rid of any dull skin while you sleep. And this is actually really, like, this is really cute. Let's see. Oh, it looks very shiny. Like, it, not shiny, but just has that nice little glowiness to it. I don't know if you can see it. It's very, it smells nice. It smells like honey. Dominique Cosmetics, in the color Peach Tea Lemonade Lip Gloss, add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this lightweight non-sticky balm. Oh, Poreblem. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and go in. So it is a primer, and it's supposed to help us be more luminescent. It does have flower extracts in it. And let's see. It's very lightweight. It feels extremely smooth. It doesn't feel like it has, like I know like some primer, okay, so like I do suffer with acne, and I feel like a lot of the times I go towards more primers that really feel like they have a lot of like silica in them, so I don't feel greasy, right? But this does feel extremely lightweight, and I think I really like this. If it sits well under my makeup, then I will probably really stick to this, but it does feel nicely primed. Okay, so this retails for $23, and it is supposed to help tighten up your pores and keep your skin feeling silky, silky smooth. So my hand does feel silky smooth, so that is nice. I'm actually, okay, I like that. All right, who doesn't need another good primer, right? And last but not least, we have the Tarte Pro Glow 3. Glow level extreme. So are you gonna see me from the moon? I hope so. So Tarte palette does retail for $45. Ooh, this is cute. Now I have seen some like this before, and I always think it's just a nice, neat little opening. These colors are pretty. There's so many of me. Let's do the Tarte Pro Glow. You have here 2 blushes, and then you have 2 highlighters, and then you have what here it's going to be here is your bronzers. Now one is a little more shiny, and then one is a little more matte. So the colors are Premier, Dance Floor, A-Lister, Headliner, Backstage, and Autograph. I'm actually really excited to see which one was this one. A-Lister. So A-Lister, well, this is the lip gloss here. A-Lister's pretty. It's kind of have like this golden type of a sheen to it, so that's nice. Will you see me from the moon? I don't know, I doubt it, but I think it's really pretty. I think it makes for a really nice blush. I think the blush is really nice. It's not too, it looks buildable. Like I can make it more pink. It's cute, I like it. I'm not, you know, I was really, to tell me that it's gonna be extreme, I was expecting a little bit more, like a little more luminescence there, but it's very pretty, and I think it's great for everyday use, and it's not extra. So I do like that. It's very neutral. Okay, and that is all of the items that I received in my Boxycharm Luxe for June of 2019. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was definitely an experience for me, and I look forward to doing more. So if there's anything that you guys want to see, you can subscribe to my channel, and I would appreciate it, and let's grow and glow together.